Imagine waking up tomorrow and your email is locked. Your bank account is drained. Your Instagram is promoting crypto scams. And your Netflix still working. But that's not the real thing. Here's the truth. Hackers usually don't care about you. They care about what your account can do for them. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what hackers really want from your online accounts. And it's probably not what you think. We're going to cover why your boring account is valuable, how hackers turn accounts into money, the dark web price list for stolen accounts, and how to make yourself not worth their time. By the end of this video, you'll understand why even a $0 account is still valuable to criminals. Let's get into it. Section 1. It's not about you. First, let's kill the biggest myth. Hackers are usually not targeting you personally. They run automated scripts that scan thousands, sometimes millions of accounts per day. It's industrialized crime. Think of it like fishing. They cast a giant net. Whoever gets caught gets processed. Your email, your Instagram, your PayPal, they're just inventory. So what do hackers really want? They want money, access, data leverage, and infrastructure. Let's break these down. Section 2. Money. This is the obvious one. If you have online banking, PayPal, crypto wallets, credit cards saved online, that's direct money. But here's the twist. Even if they can't drain your bank account immediately, they can still profit. For example, stolen Netflix accounts sell for around $1 to $5. Spotify accounts, $2 to $10. Gaming accounts with skins, sometimes $50 to $500. Full identity packages called Fullz can sell for $20 to $100 plus. Even small accounts add up. If a hacker steals 10,000 low-value accounts and sells each for $2, that's $20,000. It's volume business. Section 3. Your email is the master key. In fact, it is the jackpot. But why? Because email controls password resets. If someone gets your email, they can reset your bank password, reset your social media, reset your crypto exchange, lock you out of everything. Email equals digital skeleton key. That's why phishing emails try so hard to get your login. Example, you click a fake your account is suspended email. You enter your password. They now own your digital identity. And if you reuse passwords, it gets worse. Hackers use something called credential stuffing. They take leaked usernames and passwords from one website and automatically try them on hundreds of others. If you reuse passwords even once, it can open multiple doors. Section 4. Your account as a weapon. Here's something most people don't realize. Hackers don't just want your account for money. They want it as a tool. Your account has reputation, trust, history, contacts. If your Instagram gets hacked, what happens? Your followers trust you. So when your account suddenly posts, invest in this crypto coin, DM me for business opportunity, vote for me, people believe it. A 5-year-old account with real followers is more powerful than a fake one created yesterday. That's why aged accounts sell for more. Same with email accounts. Older accounts are trusted more by spam filters. Hackers use them to send phishing emails, run scams, spread malware. Your account becomes part of their attack infrastructure. Section 5. Data is gold. Even if they can't get money from you directly, your data is extremely valuable. Data includes full name, date of birth, phone number, address, security questions, purchase history. This helps criminals commit identity theft, SIM swap attacks, loan fraud, credit card applications. Sometimes criminals combine pieces of data from multiple breaches to build a full profile on you. It's like assembling a puzzle. One website leaks your email, another leaks your phone number, another leaks your address. Together, it's powerful. Section 6. Access to your contacts. Hackers love your contacts list. Why? Because trust spreads. If your email sends a message to 500 contacts saying, "Hey, can you help me urgently?" people respond. Especially family and coworkers. Business email compromise scams cost billions of dollars annually. In some cases, a single compromised company email has led to $100,000 plus being transferred to criminals. All because someone trusted a familiar name. Section 7. Why small accounts still matter. You might think, I'm not rich, I'm not famous, I don't matter. But automation changes everything. Bots don't care who you are if your password is weak, like 123,456, password 123, your name 123. You're low-hanging fruit. Hackers prioritize easy targets. It's like houses in a neighborhood. They go for the one with no alarm, open windows, weak locks. Security is often about being harder to attack than the next person. Section 8. What hackers don't care about. Here's something interesting. Hackers usually don't care about your embarrassing photos, your private messages, your personal drama, unless they can monetize it. Blackmail does happen, especially with private images. But most cybercrime is financially motivated. It's business, not personal. Cold, automated, scalable. Section 9. How to protect yourself. Now the important part. How do you make hackers not want your account? Here are 5 powerful steps. 1. Use unique passwords. Every important account needs a different password. Use a password manager. Length matters more than complexity. 16 characters is strong. Example, instead of Tiger123, use coffee% window $river at 92. 2. Turn on 2FA two-factor authentication, especially for email, banking, social media, crypto. App-based 2FA is stronger than SMS because SIM swap attacks exist. 3. Protect your email first. Your email is priority number 1. If you only secure one account properly, make it your email. 4. Check for data breaches. Use services that notify you. If your email appears in a breach, if you see one, change that password immediately everywhere. 5. Be skeptical of urgency. Most phishing relies on panic. Act now. Account suspended. Last warning. Slow down. Hackers win when you react emotionally. Final takeaway. Hackers don't want you. They want what your account can do. Money, access, trust, scale. And the good news? You don't need to be unhackable. You just need to be harder to hack than the average target. Security isn't about fear. It's about friction. If this video changed how you see your accounts, please like, share, and subscribe.